Hi everyone, this is Parul. Today I want to share with you Ujjayi Pranayama breathing practice, also referred to as breath of life or breath of victory. And the way to find Ujjayi breath is to constrict the muscles at the back of your throat while you breathe in and out through your nose. It's a loud breathing and you can hear yourself. It can be easy for some and hard for others. There are lots of benefits of Ujjayi breathing practice. It's most commonly practiced in Vinyasa yoga flow and it's a great way of improving concentration for your physical practice. It builds the heat and energy in your body which unblocks the healing process. It helps us to remove the toxins from our body and it's also good for people with thyroid issues. So let's practice it. I have broken this into 3 parts so it's easier for you to understand. So the first part is you have to breathe like you're fogging the mirror, okay? So open your mouth and practice this. And breathe in the same way. So practice this with me. Okay, the second part is you're going to do the same thing, but you will stick your tongue up just behind your teeth like you're making a L sound. Okay, so let's do this. Stick your tongue up and practice the same fogging the mirror. The third part is you're going to do the first fogging the mirror, second sticking your tongue up like you're making an L sound, and the third you're going to close your mouth this time while breathing in and out through your nose. Okay, so let's practice together. Close your mouth, stick your tongue up and imagine you're fogging a mirror. Okay. So you can practice Ujjayi breathing in this way and eventually you should be able to practice Ujjayi breathing in smooth, steady and deep state. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Namaste.